If you're unable to comment photo on TikTok, then this video is actually for you. This is Tutor Farade channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix can't comment photo on TikTok. So let's dive right into the video. As you can see here on the screen, this is actually the photo I actually commented on this video right here on TikTok. So if you're unable to do this for some reasons, in this video I'm going to show you how to actually solve that problem. But first, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok by going to your Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok. Search for TikTok like this in order to get the latest version of TikTok. Looking here on the screen, you can see that mine is showing updates. If yours is actually showing updates like this, you need to click on the updates button in order to update it to the latest version. After updating and installing it on your device, you need to go back to the app like this. Right here on your TikTok, this is the home page. I can go to any video, click on the comment section. And when you click on the comment section at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see the photo icon. If you're unable to see the photo icon right here, you just need to wait for at least 24 hours after updating your TikTok in order for this TikTok to appear on yours. So after waiting for 24 hours, you're supposed to actually see this feature on yours. But if after waiting for 24 hours yet you're unable to see it, this is the next step you need to actually take. You can easily go to your phone settings like this, scroll and click on apps, then go ahead and search for TikTok. Once you're done searching for TikTok, right here you can see where it says storage. You can go ahead and click on storage and click on clear cache or clear data. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. Clear cache like this in order to fix it if it's actually a bug issue. Otherwise, go back to the TikTok app if that did not solve your problem. Click on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the three line icon at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy, scroll to the bottom and click on report a problem. So right here you need to report the issue to TikTok. Scroll gently like this. Right here you can see where it says report. You need to expand that section. Then scroll just like this and click on report comments. Go ahead and click on it like this. Then go ahead and click on no. This did not actually solve my problem, and click on need more help. So you simply need to explain to TikTok that you are unable to comment photo on TikTok and they should actually help you with that feature. Politely tell TikTok that's right here. Now once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and click on the send button and TikTok is actually going to help you fix that problem as well. So these are the steps you can actually take if you are facing this problem on your TikTok account. Hope this solves your problem. Tell me the steps that actually solved your own problem. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, drop a comment and tell me if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.